Welcome to The Explainer. If you're looking for a clear, totally no-nonsense guide to figuring out the modern digital economy, well, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to demystify how to actually make money online, and we're laying out a practical blueprint specifically built for 2026.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Think about it. What if you could earn your first $100 online without even touching your day job? In this explainer, we're going to explore some legitimate, genuinely sustainable ways to make real money on the internet. Yep, even if you are literally starting from scratch today with zero experience.
So here's our roadmap. We'll look at the online economy, ways to make money, and the skills that pay well. Then we'll hit the beginner roadmap, avoid some common mistakes, and finally, go over realistic income expectations.
Section 1. The online economy and the reality of digital income.
Look, millions of people are earning their income online every single day. They're building real, sustainable careers. This whole ecosystem basically breaks down into a few buckets. You've got active income, freelance models, full-scale business models, and of course, passive income models. Whether you're working remotely from a local coffee shop or selling digital products literally while you sleep, it's a massive, thriving global marketplace.
But here is the absolute crucial takeaway. Online success, it requires specific, valuable skills. It takes unwavering consistency, and man, it takes patience. It's not just luck. We really have to separate that social media illusion of, easy overnight wealth from the reality of actually putting in the time to create value for others.
Moving to Section 2. Ways to make money. Categorizing the chaos.
Now, what's really interesting about this is how all these wild, overwhelming options actually just fall into some neat, actionable paths. You've got your freelancing, like writing or coding. You've got content creation and selling digital products. Oh, and a massive growth area for 2026, AI services. This covers things like AI automation and prompt engineering, which honestly is basically just mastering how to talk to AI models to get the best possible outputs. But hey, beyond those tech-heavy routes, there are incredibly accessible entry points where you don't even need a massive audience to get rolling. Take affiliate marketing. You just recommend products you already use and love, and you earn a commission. Or consider online teaching and virtual assistants. These are just phenomenal ways to jump right into the economy and earn active income immediately by helping someone else run their day-to-day life or business.
Section 3. Skills that pay well. The skill premium.
And this brilliantly illustrates where the money actually is right now. The absolute heaviest demand lies in technical and creative problem solving. We're talking video editing, web development, and mastering AI tools. They are totally leading the pack. Going after these highly demanded skills gives you a massive financial edge, mainly because businesses are just desperate for people to fill these specific gaps to help them grow.
But it definitely doesn't stop there. Other super high-paying skills include graphic design, copywriting, digital marketing, and SEO, which is search engine optimization, essentially getting websites to rank higher on Google so they get more eyeballs. So think about it. Which of these kind of aligns with your natural talents? Because here's the secret. You don't need to learn them all. You just need to pick one.
Section 4. The beginner roadmap. From zero to paid.
All right, here is your essential blueprint. Step 1. Choose one skill. Seriously, do not spread yourself thin trying to be the expert in everything. From there, you commit to learning daily, and you start building a portfolio to actually prove what you can do. Next up, tackle some small practice projects. Use those early wins to land your first real clients. And then, as your confidence and experience grow, that's when you start increasing your rates. Let's move on and see exactly how this builds over time. For your first 30 days, your one and only job is learning that skill and building a solid portfolio. By the 90-day mark, you really should be doing small projects and securing those early clients. And look, by the time you hit 1 year, you'll have built up enough value and experience to confidently scale your rates. It's a totally sustainable, realistic 1-year trajectory.
Section 5. Avoiding common mistakes and navigating the pitfalls.
Okay, real talk for a second. You have got to completely ignore those toxic get-rich-quick schemes and promises of guaranteed overnight cash that just flood our social media feeds. What actually works in the real world is building real value, staying consistent, and solving actual problems for other people. Sustainable, long-term success only ever comes from adopting that exact mindset.
So here are the specific pitfalls you need to dodge. First up, buying super expensive courses and then, never actually practicing what you learned. Second, giving up right before the compounding effects of your hard work finally kick in.
Third, trying way too many things at once. Honestly, shiny object syndrome is an absolute killer for beginners. Stay hyper-focused. Consistent execution is going to be jumping from trend to trend every single time.
Section 6. Realistic income expectations and playing the long game.
When it comes to money, your income trajectory is going to look like a gradual upward curve, not some sudden dramatic spike. Early on, your efforts are going to yield smaller returns. That's just how it is while you're learning the ropes and building a reputation. But as you push into the mid and long term, that's when your income scales steadily. That growth is driven by your chosen skill, market demand, and most importantly, your own consistent effort over time.
It is so vital to remember that earnings vary strictly by your experience, your niche, and your effort. There are absolutely no guaranteed results here. Honestly, building tangible skills and creating real value for your clients or customers, those are literally the only true foundations of a sustainable digital income.
It really just boils down to this. Online income isn't about luck. It's about learning, solving real problems, and staying consistent. If you want 4 actionable words to just carry with you as a daily reminder, here they are. Learn, build, earn, grow. Master one skill, and I promise you, your opportunities will absolutely begin to compound.
So I'm going to leave you with one final crucial question. Which one skill are you going to choose today to start building your online income? The whole roadmap is laid out right in front of you, and the digital economy is waiting. It's time to make your choice and start building.